welcome back and welcome to episode 4. And in this episode, we are going to be restoring the wheels. And when I say we, not really me, it's going to be these guys from Whoopswheelfixit in Enfield. They've kindly helped us out and they're going to be refurbing the wheels and fitting new tyres. I will come onto the tyres later on in the video and explain about those. But for now, we're going to meet a couple of the guys and we're going to show you around the place. Okay, so we're up here with Simon from Whoopswheelfixit, one of the owners of the company, and they have kindly offered to help us out on this project and restore these alloy wheels, which I don't know if you've seen them or known.
They're in a bit of a state, but we're excited to crack on with them.
They're a bit shabby. So yeah, again, thanks mate, much appreciated.
Yeah, no worries, we're excited to do them really. We haven't had that set in before. We had a few classic sets, but not the Renault 5 GT, which is obviously a classic car for guys of our age.
Indeed, yeah. All our dream cars when we were teenagers. Basically, just a quick one, just to explain to the guys and girls what you do here at Whoopswheelfixit.
Yeah, basically what we do, we specialise in main dealership support for bodywork and wheels, but we also do a lot of retail stuff. We do the full remanufacture of wheels, so it's a chemical strip down, powder coat, tyre fitting, rebalancing, start from square one again on them, which is what these wheels need really. I'm sure the metal of those wheels haven't seen the light of day for 2 decades, 3 decades maybe.
Packed away in a barn.
Yeah, so we're going to go back to square one on them. We also do a lot more body work, crash repair, insurance work, stuff like that, caliper, respraying. And yeah, basically anything cosmetic, we do it here day in, day out.
You look after a lot of nice vehicles.
Yeah, we do some of the high-end stuff, some prestige main dealers, Mercedes, Lexus, Audi use us. And we also do a lot of the show cars. We do a lot of shows through the year where we see Gary a lot. That's pretty much it.
Cool. Well, thank you very much. Cheers, mate. Much appreciated. So let's get on to it. We'll head on downstairs. They're going to start off stripping the tyres, going through the processes. So let's show you on those and we'll head on down now. Okay, so we've got the wheels back from Whoopswheelfixit. We're going to head indoors and we're going to get these things ceramic coated and bolted back onto the vehicle. So another sponsor of this episode is Gtechniq, who have kindly sent us down the products that we're going to use to ceramic coat the wheels and dress the tyres. So ceramic coating the wheels, we are going to use Gtechniq's C5 wheel armour. That's going to give a nice durable coating, so it's going to make ease of cleaning and drying going forwards. Once we're finished with that, we're going to use their durable tyre gel. That's going to give a nice shine and give that finished look to the wheels. So, two things. First thing is, as you may have noticed, we've got some new tyres on it now. They are some evergreen ditch finders, cheap budget tyres. Wasn't the intention. I mean, this episode, and we did have agreed sponsorship with Michelin UK to get some Michelin tyres back on this to replicate what it came out the factory with. Unfortunately, those tyres aren't available at the moment. There is obviously a certain amount in the country and that stock is empty, so we physically couldn't get our hands on any. So the plan is we've got these on so the vehicle can get back, it can go through the restoration process at Sion's side of things mechanically wise, so it can freely roll in and out of the workshop and test drive and all that kind of stuff. When the Michelin tyres are available, these will be swapped and replaced. Remember, we're trying to rebuild or get this vehicle back to as original state as possible, and Sion wants to put those Michelin tyres on. So fingers crossed, Michelin UK, at some point soon those tyres will be manufactured and we can get these ones swapped over and put back on. Now, second, it has no caliper on it. All four calipers were seized, as you can imagine, sat for years. Discs, everything is pretty rusty and nasty. Obviously, this car is going back to Sion and it's going for its mechanical stage of restoration. So bodywork, engine bay, suspension, all that kind of stuff. So all I've done in this case is I've just wire brushed up the face just to get a nice cleanish surface before I bolt this back on. But let's be real, it's going to roll onto a trailer and roll back off and sit in a workshop. So before we get these wheels fitted back onto the car, I mean, the old bolts are really, really rusty and manky. And I mean, it'd be a shame to bolt these wheels nice and shiny, coated, back onto the car in this condition. So to replace these manky, dirty bolts, we have been sent a new box of titanium bolts from Boltsbolts. Boltsbolts is an independent UK business that supplies anodized titanium fixings, washers, bolts, nuts, everything that you need to dress your engine bay and vehicle up. So if you're looking for some cool extra added features to brighten up your bay for show or just to customize your car, head over to Boltsbolts and check out their website. They also supply an awesome electric flip plate system. So if you've got a vehicle that you want to hide your front number plate, this kit is a really cool thing to hide your number plate from your vehicle for those show days or car meets. that is the end of episode 4. I hope you've enjoyed it. And thanks again to the sponsors of this episode. We've had Whoopswheelfixit, done the wheels. We've got Gtechniq and Boltsbolts, and all their information is in the description to this video. So if you want to check them out, head over to their links in the description below. So next for this little Renault 5's journey is back to Sion in Wales. He'll be coming to collect it in the next weekend or so, and it'll be trailered back up there for the more mechanical side of things, engine bay, paintwork, whole host of things. And we probably won't see this car for at least a year. But when it does return, we will be doing our second stage of detailing, and that'll be machine polishing, decals, ceramic coatings, and much more. So if you fancy following on with this little Renault's journey, head over to Sean's YouTube channel, which is Automax, and that's where you'll be able to see more of the mechanical side of things going forwards with the vehicle. Up next on our channel is going to be Johnny Smith's Smart Brabus. So to make sure you don't miss out on that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get that notification when the next video drops on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.